Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just kind of taking you along my day. I have a ton of stuff to get done, so I just figured we will give you some cleaning motivation. I will give you a grocery haul and just kind of a day in the life, so kind of everything all in one. As you will see, I kind of made a to-do list so that way I can kind of check everything off. I'm a visual paper and pen kind of person, so I like to be able to see everything that I need to do and kind of prioritize everything and get it all done. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy. Make sure you are subscribed as well. So I try to get up between 5:30 and 6:30, and on this day obviously it was on the latter half of that, but the first thing I do is I get up, I get dressed, and I make my bed. And then I fill up my water, and then I go downstairs and do some sort of workout while the kids are still sleeping. So I do have a Peloton bike. I didn't show my workout today because I show them in like some of my videos, but today I was just doing a Peloton ride. So I figured there was no point in showing you that again. But that is how I start off every day. And then after I do that, I come up, I shower, and then get ready for the day, get the kids breakfast, and all that good stuff. Hi, buddy. Hello. Why are you up so early?
That's just when I woke up.
Yeah.
Oh, boy. So,
Yeah.
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Drop your windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Drop your windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Drop your windows down, we could take our time. Baby, you could keep me happy, but you've been on the road. Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of.
So now I am just getting started on my to-do list that I am dressed and ready for the day. I just had to strip the bed in my stepson's room because my son sleeps on it sometimes too, because soon it's going to be his room. So I just wanted to get those cleaned up for him since he was coming home today. And here is my son doing his little dances and being a goofball. But that is what I tend to do. I try to get the laundry going or anything like that before I leave to drop the kids at school, so that way that is already going, and by the time I get home I can switch it over.
Out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. Cold sweat, I was in a nightmare, searching in the dark, but I couldn't find you. There were footsteps coming down the hallway, but when I turned around, it wasn't you. I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do-do-do-do.
Okay.
What would I do? Do-do-do-do. Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find you. So I flipped out, I ran into the kitchen, I found a little note saying I'll be back soon. Relief came with a little breath, with nothing else to do, I headed back to the room. When I saw the clock was hitting midnight, your clothes were all packed and the dog was
Now on this day I just had a few loads of laundry to fold, and then it was Tuesday, so it was bathroom cleaning day. So I just wanted to get those done before we left to pick my daughter up for school. While my son is doing his work from home, I tried to he's able to be a little bit independent, so I can get things like that done because I have no problem just stopping and being able to jump in and help him. But so I do have a video coming out soon, probably next week, with my weekly cleaning routine, and I also have another video for my daily cleaning routine. So the things I do every single day, and then how I kind of plan out the bigger checkmark items on your list, like stripping the beds, washing the sheets, doing the bathrooms, deep cleaning the kitchen, all things like that. So I have that coming for you as well.
Cold sweat, woke up from a nightmare. The sun was peeking its head into the room. Border collie sleeping at the foot of the bed, but still I couldn't find you.
It's the time to unlearn all those barriers. They all fall down now. There's nothing in the way when they say take it slow. A knowing smile starts to grow. Our moons have moved the seas. I have no fear left. I'm fearless. Watch me go. There's no key to the cage for a bird like me, but I am free. My song, the wind of wings, and we are born with the right to live this life. Our heads held high, we're singing from the skies. I have no fear left. I'm fearless. Watch me go. I am flying for a higher time.
All right, so I have everything done on my to-do list except for picking up our groceries at, well, between 1 and 2. My daughter gets out of school at 1. We'll pick her up and then we'll head down to BJ's. And then we have to do a return at Old Navy. We got our Christmas pajamas, but they just weren't the right size for the kids. They had such weird sizes. There was like a 6T that I thought may fit my son, but it was too big for my daughter, and the 5T was, I don't know, they were just kind of weird sizes. So I ordered us new ones. They'll be here this weekend, but we're gonna stop at Old Navy since we will be in that area and return those. So everything else on my to-do list is done. So next time you'll see me, I'll just share what we got at BJ's, and that will be it. All right, we just got back from BJ's. I just finished unloading everything and laying everything out. So let me flip you around and show you everything that we got. All right, so I got some strawberries. There's 2 pounds of strawberries, 3 pounds of green grapes, got 2 English cucumbers, a pack of organic romaine lettuce, some mini red Idaho potatoes, and some mini yellow Idaho potatoes. These are our favorite. The small potatoes are so good roasted. It's our favorite. Then we got some more broccoli. We do have another big bag in the freezer downstairs, but we go through broccoli like no one's business. So I got this one this time. Usually I get their organic one, but this one had a coupon on it, and there's 4 bags inside that are steamable, so you can just pop them right in the microwave. So I figured we would try those out this time. Then a bag of yellow onions. And then we have 5 dozen eggs, which we go through eggs so fast in this house as well. And we have a big bag of organic sweet potatoes. And then my coffee, the Stoke Cold Brew coffee is my absolute favorite. And then 2 gallons of the Wellesley Farms organic 1% milk. If you guys don't drink organic milk, I know I've said it before, but the date on these is so far out. It's January 24th. So in case everything gets shut down and stuff again, it's good to grab 1 or 2 of these just to have on hand, so you can keep them for when and if everything gets shut down again. And then over here, got some individual pretzel packages. I got some more Pirate Booty because there was still a coupon on these, and my kids both love these. They go through phases, so that's why I buy the smaller bags. And then we got these Grands flaky biscuits. These end up being like $3 or $4, so I grabbed these. We used a couple of them already. Then I got the kids some of these Danimals yogurt drinks. The date on these is December 2nd, so these will last us a while. There's 36 of them in there. There's 18 strawberry banana and 18 strawberry. Another thing that they absolutely love are these Yo Crunch Oreo and M&M. The M&M is by far their favorite, but I bought these last time I went to. We still have a bunch of these left, but these were good till December 17th, and there was also a coupon, so I figured might as well just grab them. And I'm lucky because I have a fridge and freezer downstairs in the basement, so I'm able to stock up on things like this when they are on sale instead of buying them full price at the grocery store. So this is the kids' favorite, and my husband loves these too, and these ended up being, I think, $4 and change for a box of 34 of these. So those were a super good deal. And then for myself, I got my Skinny Pop popcorn. The sweet and salty is my favorite by far, but I do like the other ones too. And then I got myself as a treat some Coke Zero, because I do love a soda every now and again, but I don't want all the sugar. So, and my husband will drink those too. So that is it for today's video. We kind of got, well, the only thing, let me see my to-do list. The only thing I did not get done, my door just opened. I thought someone was walking into my house, but it was the wind. Gave me a heart attack. The only thing that we did not get done is the Old Navy return. My daughter just seems a little bit off today, so I didn't want to take her any more places than I had to be. So I decided to skip that, and I'll do that at some point this weekend, whether it's with them or if my husband ends up being home at some point, I can go. And I also wanted to go to Walmart to get some wrapping paper and to look at their Christmas decor because that's coming next week. So excited. So that is everything off of our to-do list. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of, like I said, getting everything done. So I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you are subscribed. I have a ton of awesome content coming soon, so I don't want you to miss anything. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.